Sige na. Para makakilos na sila.
Okay.
Mayor, kumusta po yung pag-iikot niyo dun sa Ground Zero today sa Machura? Kaya malulungkot tayo pero we try to control the problem. Immediately, I called the city engineering, DEPS to collect all the debris. First things first, makagalaw sila ng maayos. Mailabas nila yung mga debris sa Eskinita, Looban at nearby Pasig River. Tapos ilabas sa along Parola Road, pinadadala ko ng yung mga truck, bulldozer, para makapagpalabas na sila ng gamit. Simultaneously, nire-register rito na Manila Social Welfare, yung mga pamilya, and at the same time, in-house namin as many as we can in this building of ours na gamit for disaster like this. And we're very grateful. Mabilis ang responde ng DSWD naman from national government. So kagabi pa nagpapakain ng Manila Social Welfare, ng dinner, ng agahan. Ngayon, as you can see, tanghalian, non-stop. Tapos tomorrow, hopefully, through the Vice Mayor and members of the City Council, will come up with something. And by afternoon, makagawa kami ng dilensya, maibigay agad namin financial assistance sa bawat pamilya. Mabigat to kasi umigit kumulang 3,000 na to. Kasi mga nasa 2,500 na. Kanina, nung nagpunta ako roon, maraming hindi pa nakapagpalista sa family card. Dala nang inasikaso pa nila yung debris at yung pa bang gamit na pwede nilang magamit. But for the meantime, the numbers are huge. So by hopefully cross finger, mid-afternoon or late afternoon, I'll be back here to deliver the financial assistance of the city government so that they can start rebuilding their road.
Mayor, this is from the city alone.
Yes.
Magkano po yung possible na?
Tansya ko rito, mahina na kulang-kulang 50 million pesos. Mabigat to. Mabigat. Hindi to extraordinary itong
Sir, Task Force Charlie, talagang masyadong malaki yung apoy. Inabot ng 7 na oras. Ano po yung naging challenges, Mayor?
the wind, the nature itself. Kasi galing tayo sa along Pasig River. So, papalo-palo yung hangin. May kasamang apoy. Kaya lumawak ng lumawak. Siyempre, ako, familiar ako sa Parola. Puro Eskinita yan. Things are chaotic. Then, the rest is malungkot. Mabigat to. Ang goal namin, makabalik agad sila to start rebuilding with the help of the city.
So, wala namang passion.
Wala pa naman nila. Pero yung Manila Health Department, ewan ko napansin ninyo, nandito rin sila. Kasi nga, baka yung mga bata, because of the sobrang grabe ng usok, saka yung weather condition natin para sa mga senior citizen, nandito rin sila.
Hanggang kailan po maglalast yung supply natin, Mayor? Yung mga magsistay dito hanggang kailan lang po sila?
Kaya natin. Kaya natin. May awa naman ng Diyos. Makaka-recover din tayo agad. But for the meantime, first things first. As I have narrated to you, the ABC of the plan. Maluwag yung lugar, nakakot yung basura, may ilagak sila sa masisilungan, tuloy-tuloy ang pagkain, then yung financial assistance so that they can start rebuilding and they will go back to their homes. The national government also, the DSWD, tumutulong naman sa akin. Okay po.
Initially, Mayor, ilang household? Wala pa.